Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to be showing you 3 easy napkin folds for Valentine's and creating that really romantic restaurant look at home, saving the money, but keeping the romance alive. Today we're going to be using our 20-inch by 20-inch polyester napkins. Here we're starting off with our romantic rose napkin fold. You're going to have the seams pointing towards you and bringing that top and bottom points to the center. Now you're going to be folding that top and the bottom so it creates a line in the middle. Folding it once again, make sure that you make it nice and flush and flat, and folding it one last time so it's nice and thin. Now you're going to take about 3 or 4 inches from the side and bring that right side towards you and start rolling. Now you don't want to make the roll too tight because once you get to the edge there, you're going to tuck it on the bottom of the rose, and if it's too tight, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge there. So once you're done, take that last part and tuck it in the bottom. That extra piece there is going to be your leaf. Make sure you bring it to the side where the seams are facing away from the rose. Once that's done, you can pop it into a wine glass, and voila! Moving on to our second one, making sure the seam is on the top and then folding it again in half. Bringing those 2 sides in the middle so it creates a really nice point. Now you're going to bring it to the actual place setting that you're going to be using. And the reason for this is you're going to be folding the 2 sides in there, creating the points of the heart. And if you do it on the table and transfer it, it's going to fall out. So just do it right on the plate or place setting that you're going to be using. Make sure that it looks nice and symmetrical in all ends, and voila, that was a really quick napkin trick there. We didn't want to pick ideas that were too complicated and you had to have origami skills. So moving on to our last one, our envelope napkin fold. You're going to be bringing that napkin in half once again and having the seam towards you this time, folding it into a quarter and creating a diamond look. Now you're going to create both sides, bringing it into the middle. One side is going to be overlapping, as you can see here, folding it in half so they meet at the top, and then that top part of the fold, you're going to fold it inside, kind of for the envelope part. Now this is the creative part where you can put maybe the menu inside, a love note inside, or perhaps a coupon for your loved one for a romantic massage or something. So here we're just securing it with our sash buckle pin. We've got all sorts of looks for these pins. Make sure everything in the description below is going to be linked up for you. Once that's done, this look is really simple too. I like all of these because, you know, all of us are not origami masters, and this is definitely doable for all 3 looks. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you like the video if you found it helpful, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor, event, and party ideas. Until next time, stay creative.